Hi, I'm Christopher. I'm a rising senior at Regis High School. This is my third milestone for my hand gesture controlled robot. For my third milestone, I incorporated my second milestone with the wirelessly controlled glove, which lit up LEDs, and incorporated it into the robot chassis. The robot chassis is made of an aluminum plate. There are two 12-volt DC motors and two caster wheels. The DC motors and the Arduino are both powered by a 12-volt battery. Arduinos can accept 7 to 12 volts of input in their voltage in pin or their barrel jack. The USB can take 5 volts. The 12 volts supplied by the power source or the battery is then sent from the Arduino into the breadboard. The 5 volts of power is used to power the H-bridge. The function of an H-bridge is to essentially allow a DC motor to go both clockwise and counterclockwise. It basically uses 4 switches. The technology is a lot more complicated than that. But as 2 of the switches close, the motor will go one way, and if the other 2 close, the motor will go the other way. So the H-bridge uses a power pin to enable the first motor, an input pin to determine direction, an output pin which goes to the motor, 2 grounds, another output pin for the motor, a reverse input pin, and a motor power pin. On the other side, it's the same as all the other standard pins, except instead of a motor voltage pin, there is a logic voltage pin of 5 volts. In terms of programming, I programmed the Arduino to recognize different gestures and make it correspond with different directions of the motors. A quick example is that when I bend my index finger, middle finger, and ring finger, as I demonstrated before, the forward direction, so the forward input pin on the Arduino, registers in both motors so that both motors turn forward. And that's how it works.